Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is the 4th of December 2024 and I took 3 trades today. All 3 of them weren't very good. It was very impulsive. Not something that I like at all, but I will show you why I took these trades and why I think they were terrible. So on the hourly, we have 4 hourly. We've got this SMT here that we put in, and so do we have this chart. And let's delete these. So we have fair value gap SMT, which is a pretty strong SMT. From there we were, well, I was bullish, and yeah, there we go. Let's go to the 15-minute now. So we swept equal lows here, and that was, I think, 8 AM. I think there was more lows down here on the 5-minute. I'm pretty sure there was equal lows here at 8 AM somewhere. Yeah. Okay, relatively equal lows. We also got normal lows as well. So we came down and swept that, made this area jagged, and which was a 2024 sort of thing. And yeah, let's adjust that. So from there, of course, waiting for 10 AM news, we made the low here, not breaking a lower low, not making a lower low rather, but we were we did an ES, so we had SMT there. Let me mark this out as well. There you go. So SMT. So from there, I was looking for buys. Wasn't expecting it to push down below this 4 hour because we made SMT on ES. We already had tapped into that 4 hour on ES, and yeah, I was expecting buys here, and then from here, saw this order block, this big order block here, and took a buy. I don't know why that was so 10:07. This is on the 5-minute, that's why. And now it looks strange. Oh, okay. I thought I took it off the order block, but I didn't. I took it off the different order block. So this order block here, took it off that. And then from there, I had a buy entry right here. And my stop was up below. And I think, actually no, I think my stop was like here. I only went in one micro anyway, so it didn't really matter. And then I was looking at, I don't know, like a 1 to 2 or something like that. But I ended up closing it early because I felt like this was a terrible RR, like minimum RR. So it wasn't really my, I didn't really like it, basically. So then I closed it. Now in hindsight, obviously I shouldn't have done that, right? This would have been a win. In fact, I think all of these would have been a win. No, except for this one. This third one here. But a lot of these I did impulsively close. And in a way, I also impulsively entered, right? And that was on me. Thank God I didn't like go high or big size. I usually never do, to be fair. Pause. But yeah, this was a really impulsive trade. There was SMT, I believe, as well. Let me check. Right over here. Yeah, ES was making a big low. from here. Yeah, we had big SMT here, so I was fine taking that trade, but my emotions and thoughts got to me, so I was like, no, I don't want to be in this trade anymore, and then I exited out of that. We also had a higher time frame SMT, but again, because my bias was bullish, I shouldn't have really been listening to that higher time frame SMT unless it's really significant. We did take out this high here, and which was why I was like, maybe we're gonna reverse, but we didn't, and this is all-time highs, I believe. Yeah. So let's go back over here, and yeah, from there, wait, no, it was this SMT here, I think. Hold up. What? Am I trying? No, I'm not. Okay. So yeah, we had SMT here, and because of that, I didn't really like the trade. We had already taken out a TP target or take profit target, and because of that, I lost faith in the trade, which I shouldn't have. Although this is high resistance conditions, but yeah. Anyhow, the second trade was over here. I was still looking for buys. We had broken the bearish SMT on ES, and that was beautiful. However, the reason why I didn't take it, the reason why I exited early was because of my stop loss. Right, we had a total soup. It was beautiful. I saw the trade, which was really good. Before it happened, I took an entry, but then mid-entry I was impulsive and exited early because I was fearful that it wouldn't work out. Why? Because this isn't my strategy. It's not it's a total soup setup. Because of that, I've never actually entered a total soup setup before unless I was waiting for a re-entry, right? So over here, 5 minute. What the? Right here, I entered on the fair value gap, but I think I was hesitant there, so I entered on a worse, on a terrible time, and because of that, I had a terrible entry. So that's for the number one reason why I had a terrible entry. And stop loss would have been horrible. Where would have that been? Oh yeah, I put it right here. So we're already halfway up on my stop loss. I wasn't really feeling that, and now I don't actually know what to talk. Oh wait, I drew out standard deviation. Over here. So this manipulation leg down, and then targeting negative 4. So because of that RR, I was willing to take the trade, but midway through again, I exited out early with the loss. $35.20. Not bad. I think this one I gained like $2 or something. Yeah, it's just not good. Not good. Yeah. So from here, I was like, oh, I want to take an entry. Oh, I wanted to get into a buy here because why? Well, first of all, we still had this high to take out, right? I re-entered at this fair value gap, I believe. Oh no, at this inverse here. And stop was here. This was definitely probably the best setup that I could have gotten, although it didn't hit. but either way it's still fine. But it doesn't really yeah, I don't really like it. Now let me see if we had SMT right here. Yep, and we ended up having SMT there, but we broke that. Do we have it beforehand though? Yeah, so with these two lows here on the 1 minute candles, but not really great. Yeah, so there I was stopped out at break even. Yeah, stopped out at break even there. I liked the setup, 5 minute. We still had that total soup, but because of that, yeah, this was the minimum target. I went break even here. If it had came higher, it would have been great, but it didn't, obviously. So it's not really something to no, wait. Yeah. Okay, so we respected. Yeah. Yeah, these 3 trades weren't really great, but most of them ended up being break even, or it's just that I impulsively got out, which is terrible. Yeah, alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know this was a bit of a long rant, but yeah, it's not really, my discipline is getting worse. I need to figure out a way to compensate, or not compensate, but to, what's the word I'm looking for? Fix that. Just to fix that discipline and impulsiveness. Yeah, I think I just need to backtest more, because recently I've been starting to lose more backtesting trades, and that's just not good, right? It's not good for my confidence, it's not good for my discipline. But if my discipline is derived from my trading or backtesting, then is that really discipline, or is that just knowing that you'll win the trade and that's why you're not fearful? I mean both ways, it's still important. Alright, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.